Good morning, everybody. James Wotring here with Remax Innovations. And I'm here this Saturday. I get here at the office at about 8:30 in the morning. I do my business coaching call to help improve strategies and skills to help clients like yourself get into the dream homes. Right now, the market, everybody's a little worried about what's going on. I stand on my faith when it comes to things like this. But I do know this, people are still buying and selling homes. People are still having babies. The world's still spinning around. We want to be very cautious of other people and the things that are going on. But, you know, the world's going to keep moving. And here's the thing. I'm helping clients right now get their houses up on the market, getting their homes in escrow, helping buyers find their perfect home. We're taking precautions to make sure that certain things are, that they're going to stay healthy. They want to protect themselves. They want to protect their families as well. One of the things here at Remax, I'm going to share this mission that we have here, and take to heart as well, even though it looks backwards right now. It says our mission to be the worldwide real estate leader, achieving our goals by helping others achieve theirs. That way, everybody wins. And I think that's a good thing, not just in real estate. We can take part in using that for other features when it comes into, when we're out there in the shopping malls, when we're out looking for groceries, when we're out, just interacting with people. Make sure we're loving on people, we're helping each other, we're being courteous, polite, mindful of what's going on as well. That way, it comes back to us as well. One thing I want to leave you with today as well is, I love this little quote we have in the office, even though it looks backwards reading it. It says, stop watering the weeds in your life and start watering the flowers. So be appreciative with what you got going on today. But if you're out there looking to buy or sell a home, great time to buy because of the refinance market. Everybody's interest rates are super low, but we do have to be patient when we're out looking at homes because the market is so flooded right now with these refinances. But if you're ready to look, give me a call. If you want some advice, give me a call. I'm your real estate resource. I'm here to help you with any questions you have. You could click my number at the bottom or at the top, wherever it sits, and let me know if you have questions. Thank you so much for stopping by, and thanks for taking a tour with me. Have a great day. God bless. Bye-bye.